CBD. Well, sir.
What's up?
No, I'm going to Kano.
Kano.
Kano State.
Which Kano? See, Kano that is inside state capital like Kano, Katsina, Gedi.
Kano. Then Satan.
Where they say state capital? Kano. You far? Oh, you know,
what concern you before? Tell me road. If you tell me road, that time when you tell me whether it's far, it's not far. I'm not as going to the Kano. I know where I'm going. I say whether it's far.
Now I want to explain to you go further balance or you dey ask for somewhere.
I say I want description. I say it's far. They ask you whether it's far. It's close.
If you don't go straight like this, go left. Now that first left on your turning right. You understand? Shut up, John. Now that first left on your turning right. Now you go past. You what you want to
left on turning right.
What you want to go do for Kano?
What can I tell you? What I want to go and do? I want to explore.
You want to explore? I will know you. Don't have the explorer. You want to explore. If you want to explore, now you don't go Dubai. I be may go Atlanta.
Sherry, is that Atlanta that I want to go? I just need the Etifia. If you can just help me 2,850, I'm fine. Just to visa and all those travel things. That Atlanta that you say. I like as you suggest it. That's where I'm going.
So may give you 2,850.
Just 2,850
to go Atlanta.
Atlanta, all the visa, everything.
No, I'll make I help you order taxify at the company.
So Atlanta.
All the girls